Hey, y'all ready? We fixing to make some chili. And it's easy, simple. We're going to make two kinds. We're going to make some chili for hot dogs and some chili with beans. Some with beans, some without. So y'all just watch, follow along. We got a ground meat right here. Just drop that in the pan. And we're going to go down with this stuff. First thing we need to do is get over here. Look where we at. All right. Got my two pots right here. Gotta get them going. One of them going anyway. Y'all got about two pounds of meat right there. 2 pounds. Making sure I got the paper real quick. Hey, you get one fry, why not two? I guess we got 1.5 pounds right here. So yeah, these people got to say that. Take it home, get it all browned up though. Always catches that. Cut it down, it's going to burn. It ain't going to burn, no. All right, y'all. I done got most of my pans open over here already. As long as I don't mix them up, we'll be fine. Oh yeah, it's looking good, y'all. One pan just about ready. That's a big one. That's the hardest thing about this whole thing. The hardest thing is browning your meat. That's it. The hardest thing is browning your meat. They will take longer. That's turn it to milk. Oh yeah, we got some action going on there. Oh, it's getting hot. It's hot, it's getting hot. Down this plate. Got it all. We'll cut it down. And I'm going to start dumping this. Got one can. tomato sauce. Two cans of tomato sauce. Turn that around a little bit. We got both of them now. Hot, y'all. This one's just about ready. Don't take long to look on them. Looks like just about turn this down. Yep. We got 2 cans of tomato paste we can put in this one. Right there. One little small can. This is all cooked right here. Turn this up a little bit. Put the tomato paste working in there. 1 bag of this chili mix, mild chili mix. We're going to cut this one down, y'all. Got that one cut down a little bit. Alright. Turn it in. Let that stir in a little bit. Got this fire on low. All we doing is heating now, y'all. Woo! And it is hot. Let me get some of this from over here. 2 cans of tomato paste. That's already bubbling over here, y'all. Cut it down some more. Alright. Two cans of tomato sauce here, I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna light that fire back again. Need to find my lighter. Alright. Let that tomato paste sit there a minute, warm up. That's all we're doing now. We're waiting on this stuff to get hot, stay hot. One more little thing of tomato sauce. Right. Two cans of these beans. Stir it up. Now we use these with Frito pies, make Frito pies out of them. We're gonna get 2 cans of the seasoning, everything's just bubbling good. 2 packets of this mild chili season. That's it. That is it, y'all. We done with this. We're gonna stir it up and let it sit there a minute. As soon as this stuff heats, gets hot enough, it'll be ready to eat. It smells so good. And you can feed a lot of people with this. Lots of people real fast. Got a chili, make you silly. Like I said, this one got beans in it. We're gonna make Frito pies with this. We're gonna use this one for hot dogs. We got a big party coming up. All right, y'all, that's how you do that. We out of here. Later.